Hey everyone, one of my favorites, 2022 Topps Allen and Ginter. Still looking for my first Julio Rodriguez rookie card, and Bobby Witt Jr. and Royce Lewis. Also like to get a Jeremy Pena or George Kirby rookie card because they're in the SP set. They're in the high number rookie cards. Yeah, or a rare mini insert or something like that. Autographs, relics. Let's do it. Had some decent hits out of these. Couple of nice relics. I got a really rare mini card in one of my breaks. Go back and watch that. It's like 1 in 24,000 packs hit. And yeah, let's see what we can get here. These things won't stay together. All right. Minute and a half, and I'm finally opening packs, right? All right, Blake Snell, Cal Raleigh rookie card, Jack Sawinski rookie card. What's cooking? And we got a mini of Schuster. That's one of those John Schuster. I'm pretty sure he's what do they call that? Curling. Stephen Kwan. That's a decent rookie card. Cronenworth, Reese Hoskins, Whitey Herzog, pitching a gem. Hey, there's my hometown boy, Joe Mauer, mini. Just a regular mini card, nothing special. Ichiro, nice base card. Hernandez rookie card, that's Yanni Hernandez. Starling Marte, yep. Jared Walsh, yep. Banner Season, I think it's called. Yep, Banner Season. Ted Williams there. Baseball Lexicon, Broken Ladder. A lot of those baseball lexicons, I know what they mean in baseball, but that one I don't. Broken Ladder. Somebody in the comments can tell me what a broken ladder in baseball is. This pack feels a little thicker, probably for no particular reason. Sean Murphy, Chris Sale, Darryl Strawberry. What am I looking at, Darren? 309 could be a high number. Famous Rivals, New Jersey, and everyone. Okay. Here's our retail exclusive gold mini, Paul Konerko. Those gold minis are pretty good. Not a lot of them on ComC for sale. They're a little, you can tell they're a little bit more rare. Alec Thomas rookie card. All right, there's Garrett Cole. There's Carlos Correa in a Twins uniform. Josh Donaldson, Banner Season insert. Allen and Ginter back for Martin Maldonado with the Houston Astros. And that might be a high number mini because it was backwards. Miguel Cabrera. All right. Jose Siri. Gleyber Torres. Entirely glass now. Get that bread. Burger. That looks delicious. Very delicious. And we got a mini here of Jim Thome. Allen and Ginter back. And a Roger Clemens, the Rocket. All right. Nothing particularly stand-worthy yet here in this first blaster. Robin Yount, Roy Campanella, Juan Yepes rookie card. Pitching a gem, Mariano Rivera. Rookie design variation, Seth Beer. And House, Tim House, musician. All right, last pack magic on this blaster. Let's do it. Joe West, Freddie Freeman, Paul DeYoung, banner season for Bryce Harper. And we got baseball lexicons. Ace, well, we know what that is. Your best pitcher on your staff. Byron Buxton, Mr. IR. He managed to get one pinch hit in the playoffs. Good job, Byron. All right, second blaster is going to make up for the first one. I'm calling it here. Cal Raleigh again. I got that on like the first card last time. Mariano Rivera, Dave Concepcion. This is it's your special day, International Coffee Day, huh? Every day's coffee day for most people. Whit Merrifield, Allen and Ginter back. Aaron Ashby, rookie card. All right. Jake Cronenworth. Yeah, this is a similar pack to before. Yanni Hernandez, rookie card. Matt Vierling, rookie card. Pitching a gem, Justin Verlander. I don't know if I'd call it a gem the other night. He only got allowed 2 runs, I think, in 7 innings. It's a pretty good pitching performance, but they lost the game. They're down 0-2. Rafael Devers, regular mini. Donovan, rookie card. Joe West again. Eloy Jimenez. Ellis, is that Drew Ellis? Yep, rookie card. Banner season for Hank Aaron. He had a lot of banner seasons. And what a steal. What is this? Ski lift. Shortly after the 2012 ski season ended in Desna, Czech Republic, thieves managed to disassemble and remove an entire ski lift over the course of a weekend, somehow going unnoticed. They filched the lift, support pylons, and more than half a mile of cable. Anyways, these What a Steal minis, they are 1 in 50 packs. So I guess at this point we should penny sleeve that and put it up on a stand. Otherwise, we're not going to have anything up there. Roberts, Ethan Roberts, rookie card. Why would anyone steal an entire chairlift? That's weird. Are you going to set it up somewhere and think you're going to use it? Starling Marte, Mackenzie Gore, rookie card. Juan Gonzalez, Juan Gone. Banner season. Inside the Park. Mini. Thurman Munson. All right. Matt Olson. Yogi Berra. Hey, look at that. George Kirby. 313. Supposedly that's supposed to be part of like 10 cards that are short printed. 313 George Kirby rookie card. I had that written down. So I think it's like worth more than even like the Julio Rodriguez, because George Kirby is halfway decent, and it's in it's amongst 10 cards that are short printed. Hernandez rookie card. That guy. Paul Molitor, Hall of Famer. Your special day, National Slam Dunk Contest Day. Martin Maldonado mini again. Hart, Jared Hart, musician. I left 2 cards on the table here, I think, when I got that What a Steal or something. Oh, gentlemen, women, look what I got. Finally. All right, let's get rid of this Get That Bread pastrami sandwich. We got a mini of Starling Marte. And finally, we got our Julio Rodriguez Allen and Ginter rookie card. After I don't know how many blasters. Now, you don't have to put this in the comments. I know I could have just bought one. But what's the fun in that? And I wouldn't have hit that 1 in 24,000 mini card I hit in a blaster if I wasn't hunting for Julio. Now we need a Bobby Witt. Bob Feller, not quite the different Bobby. Ken Griffey Jr., I like him. North. Who's that? Who is that? A lacrosse player. Charlotte North. What's cooking? What you got cooking? I got some mustard powder. Hey, how would we get 2 What a Steals in 1 blaster? That's weird. JD Martinez. They are 1 in 50 packs. Who stole what here? Fajitas. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Somebody stole fajitas, huh? All right. What do we got in this pack? What are we going to top off this break with? Bill Mazeroski, Ryan Sandberg, Jorge Soler, an Italian sub. Inside the park, we got Arches there. Seiya Suzuki, not a bad rookie card. All right, the second blaster was definitely better than the first blaster. We got that George Kirby short print rookie card. We finally got our Julio Rodriguez rookie card. We got 2 What a Steals minis, 1 in 50 packs. We got, Cal Raleigh, Stephen Kwan, Cal Raleigh. This Seiya Suzuki probably should have went in that one. We were supposed to get a gold. We didn't get a gold mini. Usually you get 1 per box. Maybe one of the What a Steals replaced that. But we got the 1 Paul Konerko gold mini. And a bunch of other minis and inserts and Hall of Famers and such. All right, that was fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye.